All right, friends. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. We are going to play a game today called If You Think You Know My Word. I'm thinking of a word, but you have to think and you have to use your brain to see if you can hear the sounds that are in my word. Okay? So, is Mrs. Mack going to show you the words?
No.
Goodness, no.
Because that's cheating.
Well, that would be something different, right? That would be phonics, and we're going to do phonemic awareness. So we're going to be listening, and Mrs. Mack is using our book that we're reading today called Tornadoes, and we are going to try to hear as many secrets as we can in our word using your soundboard. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? I'm thinking of a word, of a word. I'm thinking of a word, of a word. I'm thinking of a word, and ground is my word. I'm thinking of a word, of a word. Okay, ground, ground. Sophia. GR, what does GR say? Good job, Sonia. OU, what does OU say? Good job. Okay, ready, friends? I'm thinking of a word, of a word. I'm thinking of a word, of a word. I'm thinking of a word, and tell me what you heard. I'm thinking of a word, of a word. My word is cloud. 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 Daniel.
C-C-U.
Cloud.
I'm a C-L.
CL, that's a blend. And what does it say? Cool. Tegan. Cloud. What else did you hear? OU. What does OU say?
Ow.
Ow. Okay. I'm thinking of a word, of a word. I'm thinking of a word, of a word. I'm thinking of a word, and tell me what you heard. I'm thinking of a word, of a word. Spinning. 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 Harmony.
I-N-G.
ING. ING says what?
Ing.
Ing. Zozo. SP. SP says what? And Joshua. C.
That there's double N.
Why? How do you know there's going to be double N's?
So I doesn't tell the other I to say its thing.
Ah, and you didn't even see that. You just heard that, huh?
Or they'll be spiny.
It would be spining. And tornadoes don't spine, right? No, that would be kind of strange. That would be interesting. Okay. Last one. Ready? I'm thinking of a word, of a word. I'm thinking of a word, of a word. I'm thinking of a word, so tell me what you heard. I'm thinking of a word, of a word. Watch. 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 Let me say Leanna. C-H. Good job. And where is C-H? Is that in the beginning, the middle, or the end? Watch. Say the word to yourself. Say it out loud so I can hear you. Watch. Where is that sound? In the beginning, the middle, or the end? Sound it out for me. Go ahead and segment it with your hands. W, ah, ch. Where are you going to hear it? Where are you going to hear it? Huh? At the end. Good job, friends. All right, give me a thumbs up. Great job. Thank you.